Go and open your Start menu and select Settings from above. Now, from the left side, select System and then click on Sound. This will open up the sound settings. Here's a list of all output devices. You may not find your headphones here. Just scroll down, click on More Sound Settings, and a new pop-up will appear. You may have your headphones listed here, but if you don't, just right-click on a blank space and choose Show Disabled Devices option. Now here is the disabled headphone. Right-click on it and choose Enable, Apply, and click OK. Now, again from the output list, you can go and choose your headphones. Now, of course, Realtek is the name of audio driver that is running my headphones. If this previous method doesn't work, or you can't find your headphones driver in this list, go and right-click on the Start menu and choose Device Manager. Then go and expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click on Realtek High Definition Audio and choose Properties. Now, head to the Drivers tab from above and make sure this device is enabled. If it isn't, just click to enable it. You will need to restart your PC to complete this process, and after the restart, your headphones will work. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.